1 minute to play in the third period. 1 minute.
Here we go. Come on, Craig. Here we go, Mike.
Flip it out.
Here we go, Mike! One more! Oh!
Good try.
I thought he was going to flip it over.
Yeah. Almost got it. Just couldn't elevate it in time.
Yeah, no, he couldn't lift it yet. Oh,
Here we go.
that's charging. Oh, come on.
There's a whole big one in.
Here we go, Mike. Oh!
That's not gonna hurt.
Oh, did he? Yeah!
What a game.
That was awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen.